Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. Here's a little sneak peek of what you're going to find inside. If you're not subscribed yet, please take a moment and do that now and hit that bell so you'll be notified of all my videos to come. I really would appreciate that. And I'm going to think you're looking at this and saying, what is she going to make tequilas tonight? Well, it is Friday night, but no, we're not going to make tequilas. It's another Friday with friends. We do have Cynthia Porter sitting out tonight, but we do have Oak by Bettina sitting in for her, and I'm going to list all of the lovely ladies down in my description below. So last week, in my premiere on Saturday with the Hides, we made these beautiful eggs, and I said I was going to tell you what I was going to do with them. So I am going to, that's what I'm doing here. And what I'm doing actually here is I'm lining this bowl with some press and seal because normally I would use the bowl, and I've been throwing them out because they get kind of yucky with the marbling. So I decided I would cover it with some press and seal and see how that worked. And it really did work beautifully. And so that is what I will be doing from now on. I will be covering them with the press and seal before I fill it up with some water. Just pouring in some room temperature water. Now I'm cleaning off these glasses with a little alcohol before I start my marbling. And isn't that a gorgeous color? It looks like the ocean, a clear ocean that is. Look at how gorgeous that came. Wow. Wow. Don't you just love those glitter and metallic ones? They're stunning. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at them. Oh, I love it. I love water marbling. I really do. Now we're going to work on the bottom of those glasses. Let's speed that up a little faster for you. gorgeous are those glasses coming? Let me know in the comments below what you think so far. Okay, so any good margarita has some salt around the edges. So I'm going to use some pink salt, but I'm really not going to use pink salt. I'm going to be using some rose quartz, and that is going to be just beautiful. And how am I going to do that? I'm going to lay down some of my UV resin, and I'm going to put this all around. Yep, that's what I'm going to be doing here. Just like salting your margarita glass. I'm going to do this a little at a time. I absolutely love the way this came out. This could be used so many different ways. You can use it as a tea light, put a tea light in there. Thank you, Cindy, for that idea. That was a great idea. You can display your eggs in there. There's just so many things you can do with this. So I'm going to give a little recap of how the eggs were made in case you missed it last week. And I'll put a link down below to the full video of this recap, which was my collaboration with the Traveling Tramps. And I'll leave their link in there also. I'm sure you'll want to give them a little visit. We had a great collaboration last week where they also made some Easter eggs. So give Dave and Kathy give them a visit too. I'm sure you want to see how they made their Easter eggs in case you missed it. Look how gorgeous that egg came. How stunning is that? These are the cheapy glitter eggs that you get at Michael's. They're just gorgeous. They come out beautiful.
I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come. I've seen it all upon the silver screen, the happy faces and a sign upon a hill. The wine is flowing and the fields forever
So here they are, the fruits of my labors, and look at how gorgeous these eggs came. The shine and shimmer are amazing. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Each and every one more beautiful than the last. Look at that. Look how beautiful they are. I have to tell you, I was stunned myself. They dry almost immediately. I mean, I put them up in the styrofoam, and really, because once they come out of the water, they're really dry. They just need to get that initial water off. Now these, look how gorgeous this, look how beautiful this looks. I happen to love colored glass, so I already had these little egg holders and a little bunny. But now I have my new tequila glasses here. How beautiful are they? In all their color. And all these gorgeous Easter eggs. Look at that. So this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off this week, Friday with Friends. If you missed anyone, please go back and see them. Please take a moment. If you have not subscribed, please do so now. I would love for you to follow me on my art journey. And if anyone is going to PourCon in Las Vegas in August, I will be going. So I would love to see you there. Let me know in the comments below if you are going. Let's meet up. Let's meet in Vegas. Vegas, baby. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off with love, light, and laughter. Till next time.